Alright, quick video. This is my 2000 Yahmaha YZF R6, and my problem is every time I try to start it over or kick it over, it won't start. I dropped the bike once since I've had it, and I'm not sure if that's the problem ever since, because it kind of just started not working. I also got a new battery. I've got it hooked up to a battery charger. And every time I check it, this is what comes up. Everything electrically works up. The safety comes up, warning comes up, the red light comes up, the headlight comes up. Everything is working. Lights, signal, works. Now, watch what happens. You see the dim? I'm gonna do it again, right now. That's me trying to hit the starter. It starts. That's the button. Nothing happens. I'm gonna put the mic here if you could listen. Hear the starter doesn't turn over, but I hear a clicking sound. If not, I don't know. That's my problem. This is a bike I bought from the previous owner. There's a lot of modifications to it. I don't know if it's a wiring problem, a battery problem, a rectifier problem, or a stator problem. Also, it could be a gas leak. Listen. Heard that? That's the click. What is that, the fuel pump? What is that? If you also listen, I'm charging the battery. You can hear the electrolytes. You can hear the electrolytes in the battery working. Something's up, man. This is my 2000 Yahmaha YZF R6.